Hi, I'm Nate Bloss. I was just going to give a little personal opinion on Triune. The reason we started using it was we bought a hog facility, and the goal of the facility really was just to capitalize on the manure for the nutrient component of it. And obviously, there's a lot of discussion about how valuable is manure. Is it worth a lot? Do you get a lot out of it? Was at the Classic last year in Orlando and saw a sign about getting more out of our manure. And so we got talking with the AgroTech group and saw this product called Triune. It had the capability to lower in the ammonia in the hog barns, but what we're really after was, though, it was designed to protect and make more available the phosphorus and even potentially the potassium inside of the manure that we've got. So we put it to the test. We put out about 6,000 to 10,000 gallon an acre and took some soil samples of where it was treated with Triune, where it wasn't treated with Triune, and we could see significant differences in the phosphorus levels of what was available in the usable form of P that year, higher than what we've had before. And then obviously we got into a pretty good situation, chasing soybean yield in our winning soybean yield contest field of 119 bushel. It was, I think, a pretty big factor. We used a full rate of 16 ounces an acre because we were applying a high rate of manure, but I could just see that all those nutrient values in the profile of the plant and the soil were elevated where we had it in there where we hadn't. So it just became kind of a stable kind of baseline treatment of all of our manure as we put it into our nutrient management program. Oh, it's super easy to apply. It's a liquid, easy to use formulation, stays suspended really well. It does what it says it's going to do. It goes in and kind of see it moving in the pits if you're going to use it in the pits of your manure barn. We put it in lagoons. You can see kind of a bubbling effect. And once you get it suspended, one of the biggest costs of manure is agitation. And we were able to burn less diesel fuel with agitation because it stayed suspended longer during that pumping procedure. We had to move a lot less.